How to connect Zapier with WordPress. Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. Let's see how we can do it. So for this, just simply open up your WordPress and go to the section of plugins over there. And in plugins, you will have to search for Zapier. Click enter and here it is. You just have to click on it and you will only be able to get it if you have the upgraded plan. So if you have the annual plan, you will be able to use it. Just simply click on it and get it. And this way you would be able to use Zapier with your WordPress. You can also open up your Zapier and then search for WordPress while creating a Zap. And this way you would be able to find it. Now you can choose different events in order to create different triggers, and this way you would be able to integrate WordPress with Zapier quite easily. And this is how you do it. I hope this video was helpful. Make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.